From our headquarters in Sanford, Florida, Bosslaser fiber laser metal cutting systems are assembled, tested, and shipped to fabrication shops worldwide. Designed and engineered in the USA, every Boss fiber laser metal cutter is powered by our advanced Ion Series laser source. With options up to 30 kilowatts of cutting power, you can achieve clean and consistent production cuts on materials over 2 inches thick. Bosslaser's fiber laser metal cutters deliver unprecedented precision and speed through a wide range of metals. Each system undergoes comprehensive inspection and performance verification by highly trained fiber laser technicians. Choose from compact 4x4 machines or larger scale cutting platforms. Give us a call and schedule a free in-person or virtual demo.